Hi, I'm Tuman, one of the resident artists here at Jerry's Artarama, and today we're going to be talking about Oasis brushes. The Oasis brush is a synthetic hair brush that was created to have the best traits of both natural and synthetic hair while still being completely vegan. It has the resilience of a synthetic hair brush, but the feel of a natural hair brush, and the absorbency of this brush really exceeds both. It was created by combining centuries of brush making knowledge with the latest technology. A computer simulation is actually used to determine the correct diameter of the fibers, the taper ratios, and the correct lengths to be able to get you the best brush possible. Each brush is assembled by hand by New York Central's master brush makers. In fact, 30 different types of synthetic hair were used to create a brush that has great snapback, really holds its shape, doesn't have any kind of splitting when you're using it, and really does exceed the water absorbency of natural hair. As a multimedia artist that's using anything from watercolors to gouache to acrylics, you really want something that's going to give you super consistent washes and really long, consistent lines in your paintings. You don't want to run out of paint or pigment or water or whatever you're using before you get to the end of your line or your wash. These brushes are able to do that for you. And in my experience with them, they're able to do it even better than natural hair brushes. Working for Jerry's Artarama, I really have access to any kind of brush imaginable. I've been working with these brushes a lot at work, and when I go home, I regret not taking them with me, because when I'm creating those super large washes or lines for my own personal work, I wish I had these brushes. So, if you want a brush that can create large, beautiful, consistent washes as well as fine details without worrying about whether you're going to run out of water before the end of your line, this brush is perfect for you.